Hello and welcome. My name is Afaq Ahmed and I am a service partner engineer here at SMA Australia. This is our service line where we handle your phone calls and queries that come through the Online Service Centre. Today I would like to show you how you can access the Online Service Centre and how it best assists our customers. Come check it out as I show you through. After logging into your Online Service Centre account, you will be able to see several sections here. Let's go through each feature one by one. Under Case Support, you'll be able to create a new case to contact SMA Support, and those who have installer accounts will be able to view or request for SMA Grid Guard code. To create a case, all you have to do is give us some background of your issue under Subject and Case Summary. Additionally, you can give us your Sunny Portal plan details and the serial number of your device and then click on Submit. This will create a case in our system and our service engineers will address your query. Next up is Self-Help, where you can search for relevant knowledge-based articles. You can search for information using the categories below or simply use the search bar to find information on common issues that you might have related to your device. On the home page, you will find Product Registration section. This is where you can register your product to avail a complete 10-year factory warranty. All you need is the serial number of your product and its commissioning date. The installers may initiate the product registration process if they want to, but the end customers will have to complete it. Finally, there is a section called Video Training, which is going to be visible just for installers. There are 4 inverters in this section. Each inverter will have board swap videos, which you can watch at your own pace. Since we are talking about the Online Service Centre, you know where to find us for your support and queries. Raise a ticket and we'll contact you.